Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle not in today's newspaper on Monday, February the 27th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 25th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the Saturday edition. And this one will be number, I believe, number 6033. Yeah. 33. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 printed digits. Could be an easy one, but it also could be a hard one. We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. By the way, for one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box. Only one single box. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes here? See here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. What's this one? Oh, here we have a single box also, but it's already filled in. Alright, here also dual box contains the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Okay. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? Let me see. No triple. Oh, I see one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I cannot fill those numbers, need more information. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5 because we have the 5 in the same area. So this box should be a 4 then. Triple box, quadra boxes now. I see here a quadra box. This box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be in one of these 3 boxes. Okay. Then the following strategy. Following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. Oh no. Here we have another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Next shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Quadra box. Overlook this quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, Those numbers could be everywhere. Okay, here another shape, same shape. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. So this box is the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get starting filling those and numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. And if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So these 3 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this squash area should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Here, this shape. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. But also those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2. Oh, wait! Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 numbers left. In this W area, shape for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5 is connected with that box. Also 2 and 5. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area should be there. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this cross area should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. Actually, that box can be a 2. Because we need a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this quarter box. Yeah. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of these 3 boxes. So it's not a solution to place a 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Alright, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So here can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. Here it can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a 2 here, double 2 here. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. But also this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3. And this quarter box should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Alright. Okay. Then this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, okay. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area, same numbers, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, okay. That means that this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, cannot be a 3, we have a double 3 there, can it be a 4, and can it be a 5, we have a double 5 there, yeah, definitely 2 here, alright. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, okay. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5, 3 and the 5, and this one is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 5, but the 5 cannot be in a triple box, of course. The only numbers I can use are the 1, the 2, and the 3, so definitely a 3 then is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, Well, these two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be a 3. This is 2 here. So no 3 here. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 then, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 then. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Done. Well. Interesting. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 2, but also this box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. here. 1 and 3 is connected with that box, should be so 1 or 3, but we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1, should be a 3, is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box should be 1, and the more that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2, is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, cannot fill this. 2 and a 4, cannot fill this. 2 and a 4, cannot fill this. Well, this box cannot be, I think this box should be a 5, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, can be a 4, we have a double 4 there, so 1 digit left, the number 5, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 4, we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area, should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and a 4, need to wait. Oh, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 2, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow! Not faster, not faster. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yeah. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Could be happen. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.